that we have started doing differently under such conditions are firstly that once you enter the room, like previously, you're not going to find any collaterals in the room. So all the collaterals are now listed under a QR code. May it be the TV menu or the in-room dining menu, they will all be inside a QR code. And once the guest has checked out, every room is isolated for 24 hours. It is only after 24 hours that the associate enter the room, completely disinfect them and clean them up for the next guest arrival. So we maintain this isolation of the rooms as well so that they are completely clear for the next guest arrival.
We are more emphasizing on guest hygiene perspective and the safety of each and every guest and our associate, because the associates are the people who would be serving them. So we are not serving any buffet as of now in the restaurant. We are doing a la carte wherein the guest calls from the room dining, wherein there is a QR scanner menu kept, wherein there is again a touchless point contact for a guest, wherein he do not have to touch anything. In the restaurant, we do not take more than 6 packs reservation at a time, and also considering the present pandemic situation, we have reduced our restaurant cover from 150 to 50 covers so that there is enough social distancing has been maintained. And during the food service, every dish has an individual server at the back, standing and serving, wearing a proper PPE kit like a face shield, a mask, a gloves, and then we serve the food to the guest so that there is no touch point between the guest and the food.
So yes, we are doing good. Good part. We had opened our hotel, but however, we ensure that each and every guest whoever steps into this hotel, as per the hygiene protocol, all this as per Marriott standard, we are maintaining everything, because guest hygiene and guest safety is our key, probably the key motto. While any of the guest is entering to your hotel, there are few basic protocol what we are checking. The first is temperature control, probably this has been done with you as well. Second, we are checking their Arogya Setu app. So Arogya Setu app should show as a green, if they are green. Also, if anybody is stepping into a hotel, they have to declare themselves about their travel history, about their health condition. So there is, as per protocol, those things has been taken, the declaration or the checkpoints has been we are maintaining from our end.